I am going to explain you the kingdom. We have kingdom Monera, a kingdom Protista. Monera we have already studied. Kingdom Protista, and it has 5 groups. Okay, so 4 groups we are going to discuss here. All the organisms belonging to the kingdom Protista are unicellular and eukaryotic. You are already familiar with. The cell possesses true nucleus and membrane bounded cell organelles. So unicellular eukaryotic having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 groups. We will have to study. These 3 groups, first, second and third, are photosynthetic. So they are plant-like. The 4th one is slime mold. It's a fungi-like. And the 5th one, protozoans, are animal-like. So in previous 2 system of classification, these were placed, this one placed with the plant kingdom, and protozoans were kept in animal kingdom. But as the 5 kingdoms given by R.H. Whittaker, these are separately placed in kingdom Protista, which are eukaryotic, having membrane bounded nucleus and other organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, chloroplast, you are already familiar, and unicell. So let us see first the Chrysophytes. There are 5 groups: Chrysophytes, Dinoflagellates, Euglenophytes, slime molds, or protozoans. So let us see the Chrysophytes. The Chrysophytes are commonly known as diatoms or desmids. They are also known as desmids or diatoms. They are found in marine as well as freshwater habitat. All are aquatic. Exclusively they all are aquatic. So life begins in water. So marine and freshwater, mainly they are called phytoplanktons. They swim passively on the surface of water or with the help of flagella. They are chief producers. Producer ecologically, you know that produce food for everyone. So they are chiefly producers in oceans. Maximum 90% of oxygen is photosynthetic oxygen comes from these members. So they are Chrysophytes. The cell wall is, the most important thing is, the cell wall is impregnated with a silica gel. Silica, a very hard, indestructible material that makes it survival or very resistive. When they die in the water body at bottom, they leaves the diatomaceous earth or sand dunes like structure you can see. They are diatomaceous earth. So their cells are especially used in the industry for a scrubber. They are used as a scrubber, anything cleaning the surface. Toothpaste they are used, or polishing agent in jewelry and other soft articles. They are polished with the help of them. They have epitheca and hypotheca. 2 cells, they are unicellular, but the body is made up of 2 parts. Just like a soap case, sabudani ke tarah, soap case. Epitheca and hypotheca. So these are the members of Chrysophytes. Next is Dinoflagellates. Di means 2, of flagellates. There are 2 flagella. One is longitudinal, another is transverse. So you are observing in the picture 2 flagella. One is transverse, another is longitudinal. They are similar to that, but there is a very design in these members. The cells is made up of cell wall is made of very different type of designs. So cell wall made up of cellulose appears as a plate on the surface, outer surface. When you see, they appear like a plate on the surface, outer surface. They have different pigment like R-phycoerythrin, chlorophyll D, so they impart red color. Goniologs is the member which causes red tide in oceans. They produce toxins, causes death to the fishes. So no fishes are found in this ocean area where they grow. and the sea is generally known as Dead Sea. You are familiar with the Dead Sea. They are exclusively marine, mostly found in marine. Third is Euglenophyta. When we talk about Euglenophyta, they are mixotrophic. Means they can also photosynthesize. These are photosynthetic, autotrophic. This one is also autotrophic. This one is also autotrophic as well as heterotrophic. So since they are photosynthetic chromatophores, bearing chloroplast, chlorophyll, and hence they are able to synthesize the food in presence of light. But when there is no light, they trap the food and engulf them like the other members, heterotrophs. So they are freshwater mainly, benthic, not lotic, means a stagnant water. No cell, that is the most important feature. Hence, they were not placed in plant. In two kingdom system classification, they lack cell wall, but pellicle at the place of cell wall, they have a pellicle, proteinous pellicle, which behaves like a cell wall, protect them and provides flexibility. The two flagella, again they have two flagella, one is short, another is long. You can see here in the diagram, focus near the diagram, this one is the short one, this one is the longer one, or they are photosynthetic. Okay? Nucleus in diagram, very easily you can diagram the pellicle, cell wall. You will draw nucleus and chromatophores, pellicles, flagellum, and paramyelium body. These are two material. Sometimes question asked. Paramyelium body as a reservoir material. Third is the slime mold. They are fungi-like as they are saprotrophic in nature. In favorable conditions, they form the collection, aggregate mass known as plasmodium. It is a collection of many molds. And they plasmodium produce fruiting body. That fruiting body bears spores, and spores are covered with the thick cell wall that makes them very resistive and carried by wind during a rupture of sporangium, and they release their spores, which further spread from one place to another. So in this way, we have discussed you the four different type of groups in Kingdom Protista. One is left, protozoans. I will later on discuss. Okay, thank you.